The day was cold. It was wet and rainy and cold. And still the dog needed to be walked. So we decided to make the best of it, as we always do. When rain comes into our life, sometimes you have to splash in the puddles and take the time to admire what's around you. See the beauty in every little detail. This has become such a time when everyone has had to slow it down and slow it down. And what better way to slow it down on a cold, rainy day than with a little baking? I decided to take these frozen bananas that I had in the freezer and make some chocolate chip banana walnut bread. So here we have some coconut oil, and I'm just going to pop it in the preheated oven to melt so I can add that to our bananas. And after we've mixed that in, I'm going to add a cup of organic cane sugar. You could probably add a little brown sugar if you wanted to. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This is an eggless recipe, so the baking soda and other ingredients help give it lift. I also added 2 cups of flour, which I somehow don't have footage for. And I added chocolate chips and walnuts. Oh yes, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now this is when I start getting creative. In this parchment paper, in this loaf pan. I really crafted that, didn't I? It turned out nice though. It looks like it's going to do the job. So we put our batter in our prepared, artfully prepared pan, sprinkled a few chocolate chips and walnuts on top because that makes it cute. And now we're just going to pop it in the oven. Hope everything turns out right. It'll bake at 350 degrees for about an hour. At about 55 minutes, I started testing it with a toothpick. And look. This was so good. And that concludes our cozy cuisine. Until I see you in the next video, take care.